What's going on, everyone? This is your boy Kevin back here with another video. Today I got a very cool phone for you guys to review, but it's not just going to be a review. It's going to be a teardown. It's going to be a durability test. So what I'm going to do today, first of all, let's see. This is the phone that I'm talking about. This is the Wish phone. You can buy it for around 140 bucks. I'm in Canada, so it costs around 140 bucks here. But if you're in a different country, it could be more expensive, it could be cheaper. This is the S20 Plus from Wish. It's a very bad phone. I already done a review on this phone. It's garbage. It's a waste of money. But what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do a durability test on it. So what I mean by that, I'm going to go outside, I'm going to drop it on the ground, and we're going to see how does the handle being dropped, does the screen break easy. Then I'm going to come back inside the house. Then we're going to scratch the screen, we're going to scratch the back of the camera, then I'm going to tear it down to bones. We're going to see what's inside of it. But before I start this video, guys, don't forget to press that subscribe button, press the bell for new video notifications, so every time I make a new video it reminds you guys, and please give this video a thumbs up. So what I'm going to do right now, imagine that you walk in and you drop the phone. So see what happens. So I'm going to drop it from the back first. Let's see. Nothing happened on it. Let's drop it again. Nothing happened on it. Let's drop it from the front. Nothing yet. So nothing happened from dropping it. So let's drop it like this. Let's see. No damage. Hardly any damage. Let's drop it from the side. If you guys can see, the screen is about to go. So if you can see, there's lines in it now. Now let's go harder ones. So I'm gonna go really hard now. Just wipe it. If you guys can see, hardly any scratch. If you guys can see, hardly any scratch, and I went really hard. Let's try the back of the camera. That one scratched really easy. It's plastic. So if you guys can see, scratch is really easy. Yeah, so make sure, be careful with the back. Take this plastic thing off. I think the back is plastic, but let's scratch it and see. Hardly any scratch. Try the back. Try with this. Okay, now it broke. So the back is glass. If you guys can see, it's all glass. Let's get the camera out. That's for the camera. Is it still working? Yes, still working. So this one is plastic. You guys can see, fully plastic. You guys can see, this is the back, that's the inside, that's the battery. Just to scratch on the side, see what it is. It's metal frame around. That's where the CPU is. The memory, CPU. Dual SIM. So that's pretty much it. Very cheaply made. They charge so much money for something that's not even worth it.